Hey everyone, James and Mark here. This weekend we are going to be here for the Disney Creators Lab. Staying at the Anaheim Marriott, which is kind of funny because we live, what, 5 minutes away from here? Tonight we're going to have a dinner reception where we get to meet everyone in person, and then a full weekend of just Disney stuffs. So we are all checked in, and funny enough, we got another two double bed situation. So are we not acting like a married couple enough?
People don't want us to be together.
Our room is 1020, which is Hedu's birthday. So we just dropped him off, and now I feel like that's like his way of using his witchcraft and saying, you know, you forgot about me. All right, we are here. There we go.
You had to turn on the doorknob.
All right, we just got into our room. So of course, customary, we're gonna have to do a little quick tour. Okay, this is a sizable shower compared to what we had on the cruise. I'm thinking I'm gonna compare everything to the cruise at this point. We got our toilet, a nice mirror, one sink. What do we got in here? Okay, iron, your standard stuff. Safe. $6 water, no thank you. What's in here? Coffee stuff? Oh. More storage, okay, cups. Oh, maybe we should have just brought a bottle of wine from home.
Oh yeah.
We just go home?
Just go home.
All right, we got our rooms here. Oh, I like the lights. Let's see, there should be a switch here somewhere. Is it this thing? Oh, there's that switch. Is there more light, or is this it? Oh, mood lighting. You'd think there'd be more lighting, huh? Okay, so which bed do you want, Mark?
Doesn't matter.
I feel like this is calling my name, this bed this week. Got a little seating area here, full-length mirror. Here's my fit today. New shirt just for today's trip. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? And why don't you take us out to the balcony?
This way.
Alright.
Come on over.
Ooh.
This would have been our view on the cruise if we had the deck room, but
yeah,
kind of scary.
It is a little scary scare.
Oh my gosh.
But nice view. This is basically the area where a lot of people stay when they're in town, either for Disney or we're also really close to the convention center. So dirty martinis before dinner. Ooh. She's strong.
Strong and dirty?
I don't know if Disneyland is ready for James and Mark, to be honest.
To be honest, I don't think I'm ready for Disneyland.
Low-key, we actually had to buy some Disney apparel because we didn't own anything existing, like even Marvel or Star Wars stuff. So if you watch later on in this video, you'll see what our outfits are for that. We've already gotten to run into a couple of other Disney Creator Lab members, cohort members. So shout out to Robin. You got we ran into you first, and then we ran into Portia. So really nice to meet everyone in person. So far, it's only been virtual.
Everyone is so decked out. I feel like I'm very not dressed for the occasion.
No, you have to be your own brand. We didn't get selected to be part of this group because we're like super hardcore Disney fans. We're casual.
James thinks my brand is Charlie Sheen.
Look, and we're going to a bowling alley. All his shirts actually look like bowling alley clothes. Now that I think about it. Hey, look, that sign is for us. What is this? How exciting! This is so fun, like being with other creators, because they just know exactly what to do. When I turn on the camera, they know. This is Sabine. We met her on the first day of the Creators Lab. We got in the breakout room. Okay, so this is the shuttle. Did we just get on?
It does look like a party bus.
Hey, creators! Oh, y'all know what to do when the camera's on. Everyone's like ready. Hey! Hi, everyone!
Who's good at bowling?
I mean,
oh yeah, 200, 300.
All right, you're
like,
on our team.
Depends.
Yeah.
be honest.
I've had a good strike or two.
You got a good striker too. Okay. Now we're right behind Cassie. She has a YouTube channel. Yes, she knows. Follow her right now.
Subscribe.
Comment, like, subscribe. Yes.
21 creators picked to live in Disneyland.
Is there gonna be drama though? I hope there's no drama.
Oh, there's gonna be drama.
I love the drama. Am I the drama? Sorry, I had a martini before we got here, so I'm gonna stand in the back so that I don't get kicked out. This is too much fun already, and it's been like 5 minutes. How you feeling, Mark? Local Disney celebrity, right?
Where's my Mickey Martini?
Oh, that's cute. Do they have that?
Oh, they should.
That's a good idea. Good idea. Mickey Martini.
I need 2 cents royalty each drink sold.
That's it, 2 cents. Now we're going to Splitsville. Are we going to see Mark do a splits tonight? That was when I first met Mark, he could do the splits.
Like an hour.
Nowadays, he could spare me a minute, or I strike out.
Okay, girl, you think you're so funny today, huh?
Pin me down.
You turkey.
Oh, we're gonna get a turkey leg this weekend? Suspicious of these two here. They look like they're hiding something. Robin's toothbrush? I think so. Robin. I don't know. Robin, did you have a toothbrush? No. It's
Oh my god.
Suspicious.
I knew it! Here in the flesh.
Disneyland and Walt Disney Imagineering is just a huge, huge treat. But wanted to say welcome. We're glad you're all here. Glad you made it safely.
Can you make 2, please?
Yeah.
What if he said no?
You know, we've been married for long enough. I've heard no plenty of times. How about you, Sophia?
Yeah. Like weekly.
There you go.
You want to do this? No.
That's how, but that's the key to a successful marriage, right? Is understanding when they say no, and you're like, okay.
Understanding when they say no, they really mean yes.
Yes. This came from like this mountain spring water. It's delicious. This is probably that $6 water that we had in our room earlier. Look at these. Okay, first time we were bowling since probably 2019, I swear.
Before COVID.
Before COVID. Should we have some kind of wager or bet to make it interesting? Loser has to buy the other person the shot.
Okay.
I mean, we have the same income though. That doesn't work out. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Woo!
Not close enough.
He's warming up. He's warming up, everyone. That's just a ruse.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. Y'all are match made in heaven. He did the same exact thing. Wow! Oh my gosh. Is that 5? 6 frames? 6 frames. The score is 43 Mark, 68 me. So looks like you're losing.
But this is a special bowling game where the lower score wins.
Girl, this isn't golf. This is bowling, and I'm bowling all over you right now. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There. Keep them poses.
She's the winner, baby.
Yeah.
She won. She's that girl.
Okay. Category is green with envy. So how does it feel to get 2 spares in a row?
I mean, I feel like I've been preparing for this moment my whole entire life, but the 2 spares, they just came out of nowhere. I was like, girl, have you been working out or something?
I don't know. Yeah, I feel like you're holding out on us. You're not telling us a secret.
The dirty toothbrush.
Oh, wait, what? Not the dirty toothbrush. Guys, look, I did pretty well. I got 111. I got 111. Woo! Have you been here for Halloween? I've never been here for Halloween.
I haven't, and my oldest is born on Halloween.
Really?
Yes, it's really nice.
Filming.
Girl, you gotta make content.
It looks really cool though. Look at
It is really cool, yeah.
It does feel weird going here, like when they're about to close. That's kind of weird.
They close at midnight.
They're not closing for another.
They close at midnight.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're the party crew.
Play.
Party.
All night.
Let's play.
We came to play and came to slay. We had 2 options: go back on the shuttle to the hotel, or go to the park. And this is the group that decided to go to the park.
Where are Jackie and... Oh, there they are. We're right here.
She's hard at work in the back right here, getting all that content. Now, is Disneyland a good date night?
Oh, Disneyland's a great date.
Great date night?
Yes.
Good evening, friends. In just a few minutes, the lights will be dimmed, so you may fully experience our nighttime spectacular.
We're trying to go on Indiana Jones right now, so... Okay, we are entering Adventureland. We I think are going to Indiana Jones while everyone else is going the other direction, which is good. Hopefully there's no wait. Here, this is Mikey. Can you plug your handles?
It's Mikey's Moments at Mikey's Moments.
And what would one expect to find if they followed you?
A lot of color, a lot of fashion, and a good amount of Disney too.
Case in point, look at this work. How about you, Taylor? You want to plug?
Sure.
What's your handle?
Tasty travels. Based on the name, you're gonna have some tasty bites and some travel too.
But yeah, like that, like
News, our Cassie's Castle. Yeah,
This is disgusting.
Up in here. Oh my gosh.
You're lucky though.
I almost didn't make it out alive, y'all. Literally, I know it's dark. I almost fell and died. Space Mountain? So we've gone on.
Almost fell.
They already heard about that. They already heard the drama. I'm not bleeding, so that's okay.
I'm so embarrassed. Like,
You're embarrassed?
am I escorting a grandpa or what?
If a grandpa fell like that, that'd be endgame. Sorry. The way I fell, I need to check my scars later because I have a really bad.
You got a big bruise. You want to?
I'll show it
Maybe
later.
in the room.
But we're gonna head to Space Mountain.
Tomorrowland and.
So we are riding Space Mountain. It's a 40-minute wait or so, so we'll see if we get on any sooner, but...
This is your first pumpkin spice
So
churro.
how big deal is this?
James is about to enjoy the future.
Oh!
Exactly.
Feels like fall.
Regrets my case.
That was really good.
It's good.
Thank you, Katie, for this.
it's Mickey's silhouette. If you look,
Oh!
Mickey Land. It's a hidden Mickey. Because I come here all the time.
Trouble in Sector 9. All right, Space Rangers, aim for the seams. And remember, the targets are worth more when they're wet.
Open.
You may begin spinning your
These old school. Oh
Oh,
look!
Gambit, Rogue.
Why did Rogue look like that? Oh, Rogue has been through it. All right, we just walked back from the park back to our room. It took about like 10, 12 minutes. Got the most out of the last few hours. Disneyland was open, so we went on like 4 rides. We went on Indiana Jones, Pirates, Space Mountain, which was kind of scary to me, and what's that? Space Blaster? Yeah. I don't know. But we're gonna get settled in for the night. It's been so nice meeting everyone. Everyone is actually really nice. So we're gonna just freshen up, go to bed in our separate bed, and wake up tomorrow for breakfast. We have a full agenda. We'll see you tomorrow. Say good night, Mark. Look who's all